Today's second day of determinant chapter number 4. We will know about the properties of determinants. Why? Because with the help of property, easily you can solve the problems. So remember these properties. First property is your given determinant can be expanded along any row or any columns. Solution will remain same. Here, the first result expanded along R1 with their corresponding cofactor, expanded along R2. This is the expanded along R3. Also, you can expand along C1, C2, C3. Means you can expand along any row or any columns. Solution will be same. Now, second property is interchanging of rows and columns. If it is necessary, you can interchange rows and columns. Only sign of the determinant is changed when you find its solution. This is first determinant. When you interchange rows and column, means first row write in first column, second row in second column, third row in third column. And both numerically will be same, but opposite in sign. Now third property, when two adjacent rows or adjacent columns are interchanged. Two adjacent parallel rows means you can interchange R1 R2 or R2 R3, C1 C2 or C2 C3. And solution will remain same. There will be no effect in the solution. You can interchange two rows or two columns, adjacent rows or adjacent columns. Now, what is the use of this property? If in your proven result, if it is necessary, then you can interchange. Now next property is when two rows or two columns are identical, means corresponding elements of two rows or two columns are same, then solution of the determinant is 0. Without solving directly, you can write 0 result C. In this example, so first row, second row, third. Here first row is 1 4 1, second 2 5 2, third 3 6 3. First column 1 2 3, third column 1 2 3, means two columns are identical. So direct you can write 0 result. And if you solve it or if you expand it, you will get 0 result. There is no necessary to solve the determinant. Directly by the property you can write the 0 result. In this second example also, here two rows A, B, C, first row and third row are identical, having same elements. Corresponding elements are same, so solution is 0. Now next property, when all the elements of any row or any column are 0. So here in this examples, all elements are 0 in first row, result will be 0. In this, all elements of second row are 0, directly you can write 0 result. There is no need to solve the question, directly you can write the 0 result. Now next property, when you take the common quantity from any row or any column, here you have to remember the common quantity can be taken out common from each element of any row or any column. Row wise or column wise, but here you will take from each. But in matrix you take the common from all the elements, and in determinant you have to remember here you can take common from a row, all elements from a row or from a column. So remember here, or if you multiply by any quantity, then you will multiply in each element of a row or column. If it is necessary, you can multiply by any number or quantity. You can take common from each element of a row or column. So you will remember here. In this example, this is your determinant. So when you take 2 common from R1, you will get 1, 2, 3. Also, you can take 4 common from R3. From each element, you get 2, 1, 2, 3. So after taking common here, R1 and R3, two rows becomes identical. So directly you can write the zero result without solving. Okay. Now next property, and in many questions you can use this property, very important property. To corresponding elements of row to row, column to column can be added or subtracted, one row to another row, one column to another column. Their corresponding elements can be added or subtracted if it is necessary. Also, you can add after multiplying by any number or quantity to another row, one column to another columns, you can multiply. One example is given here. This is your matrix, and you have to simplify using the property. How can you simplify it? First row ABC, second row B plus C, C plus A plus B, and third row A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C. To look here, without expanding, applying the property, find the result. So here, by this property, we can add row to row corresponding elements or column to column. So here you can apply R1 times 2 R1 plus R2, means R2 times 2 R2 plus R1 also you can do. So only R1 will change. Corresponding element of R2 will be added to R1. Then R1 will change only, and R2 and R3 will remain same. Of R2, corresponding element of R2 added to R1. So here this element will be added to this, will become first element A plus B plus C. This element added to this becomes A plus B plus C. This element added to this becomes A plus B plus C. In this way, here after applying this property, R1 and R3 becomes identical. Don't solve it direct, you can write. Why? Because you have written if two rows or two columns are identical, so solution of the determinant will be 0. So directly you can write 0 result. So you will get many questions related to this, and applying this property easily you can solve exercise problems. Very important properties you will remember here.